For me, it was growing up in the hills of northeast Iowa, and our farmhouse was surrounded by hayfields and strips of trees that acted as windbreaks. And farming was just a way of life, and detasseling corn or baling hay, those were the popular summer jobs. And a lot of us, we just dreamt about leaving the farm or leaving the farmland. And it wasn't until I was looking at Claude Monet's haystack at Giverny that I really saw the beauty of our rural home for the first time. Now, opening our eyes to the wonder that surrounds us, that is the power of the artist. Charlotte Mason tells us it's impossible to measure the positive effect that really looking at even a single picture of great art can have upon the child, or the impact on his sense of beauty, his power of seeing, when the artist reveals the wonder of the common sights of life. The power to receive ideas of beauty, to observe and appreciate art, are within even the youngest of children and within each of us. You don't have to be an artist yourself. You don't have to have a degree in art history in order to appreciate this beauty. This isn't a talky lecture either. You don't need it's not a critique. It's not a long-winded analysis. Rather, the child learns about color, about beauty, about composition, and a great deal more when we do little things to help train their observation. They're also going to learn elements of aesthetics such as proportion, harmony, color. These are all discovered by the great works themselves. So just as with a living book, the parent doesn't stand between the author or the work of literature and the child, in picture study, the parent or the teacher doesn't stand between the great work of art and the child.